Now we will see what are the reason behind such extraordinary results. I have 4 points, you can think about that and let me know what you feel about that. First point is confidence. It's majorly depend upon our confidence. Confidence and target goes on hand in hand. Suppose one student, there are two types of student. One is average student. Suppose he is getting 65% in 10th standard SSC level. In 11th standard he got 65, 67 like that. In 12th standard he will think about maximum 80, 70 like that, in that range. I am not saying he can't score 90, everything is possible, but he will hesitate to target that level of marks. He will hesitate. So it's upon his confidence. If teachers are good, they are motivating him, so that is not the issue, but he will hesitate. That is the fact. On the other hand, one brilliant student is there who is extraordinary. He got first rank in college. He scored 92% in 10th standard, 93, 95, whatever, and he got major rank in his college. So he will definitely try to repeat that title in his next exam, that is 12th standard exam. He will try to go one level up. So that makes the difference. He will not hesitate. Yeah, how can I score 90? He have confidence that he has already scored 90 in 10th standard. So why he will not score the 91 in 12th standard? So it's depend upon confidence. So we should increase our confidence. Everything is possible. We should not hesitate. Okay, so that was my first point. Second point is competition. We get influenced by our surroundings, agree or not. So suppose I am in a big college, Mumbai's big college, for example R.A. Bodar College itself. So there is too much of competition, merit holders, rank holders are there, so there is too much competition. Everyone thinking about 90, 92, 95. So why I will think about 80? I will also try to, yes, I will give them competition. I will score 92, 93, etc. Why I should, stay behind them? So it's about competition. It's about our surrounding, our environment. Everything influences us. So this is second reason. Third point is passion. If you have joined the biggest classes, most famous classes, biggest college, but you don't have that passion to achieve something, you are okay with clapping for others and you don't want to go on stage, so how can you achieve that much of target? These students also, some toppers are also there who give smart statement like, we don't thinking about rank, it just eventually came, we don't care about marks. That is, I do not agree with those kind of toppers, because they have planned for this title. Not everyone can get that title, to get first rank or that much of extraordinary marks. They must have target for that. So that is the reason you should have passion. So this is major point. Fourth point is very important, revision and practice. Now some will say that you are directly jumping into revision part. What about the covering full year syllabus and everything? See, syllabus is same for every type of student. Okay, there is no difference in that. The topper like Isha Damle, she also studied from same syllabus, and the person who got 65, he also studied from same syllabus, right? So there is no difference about that. What makes difference is the number of revision, number of testers he has given, and number of revision he has gone through. Some student do 4 revision, some student do 1 revision. It's upon their capacity and their efficiency. Yes, efficiency. So number of practice test he has given, prelims he has given, that makes the difference. Perfection makes the difference. Not everyone can directly jump into board exam and excel like he scored above 95. This is because of their hard work, their extraordinary practices. So revision and practice part is most important. Some students keep last 2 months for study, and some students keep last 2 months only for revision and tests. They covered entire syllabus 2 months before the exam. So those students are deserving to get that title. So these are the reasons. And thanks for watching this video. I will be making such videos more and more because I love to make such videos. Thanks.